Hi guys, I am Fabian Reddy Salibinla. I am at the paddy field. You can see many paddy crops growing over here. These don't have these have stages unlike the cotton crops. They do not have any buds or flowers. They directly just grow. When you sow the seed, you just pour water and leave it for some days. Then you can see them growing into large crops where on the next stage you will see crops growing. And then they are cut and taken to the paddy, and then they are taken to the rice mill, and the shells are removed from it, and you can see the white rice which is there. The paddy is being polished and then it is sent to wholesale and retail markets for sale. From there, we the shopkeepers buy the crops and then we buy it from there. This gives more gain because it has more demand than cotton plants. It is used as a required food material for humans, and also its waste material is kept for cows and animals for eating. When all these plants are dried, it is called dry grass and is taken on a tractor or on a lorry, and it is kept at cows for eating. And also they consume it for giving us milk and many other milk products. You can see many crops growing over here. These are the cotton crops which are beside the rice crops. They have been separated using these plants. See, they are divided using this thing. It is used by South Indians more for food consumption because the crops have the climatic conditions required for them to grow, whereas in the north and east and west you don't have the conditions required for it to grow. Mostly South Indians use rice than roti because it is available in bulk. They use roti very less because roti is heat and rice is cold. The South Indian part has high temperatures and North Indian part. Therefore, they prefer rice more than chapati. India not only grows crops for itself but also exports these to Pakistan and many other countries surrounding India. Have you enjoyed the scenery of the rice crops? If you have liked it, please like the video, share, comment and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Bye. It is a very good crop. Bye.